Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer a Google form to a PDF. If you want to save Google form as a PDF, you can do so by printing the form to PDF format. This is useful for record keeping, offline surveys, or documentation. Now let's follow these few simple steps to do that. The first step is to open your Google form, and to do that, just go to forms.google.com. Now, after you log in using your Google account's credentials, go to your Google form. Now I'm waiting for them to load. They loaded. Now the second step is to open the form. We're going to choose a random form for this example. Now the second step is to click on print. And to do that, just click on the three dots menu in the top right corner and select print from the drop down menu. Now here, the third step is to choose Save as PDF. In the print dialog box, change the destination to Save as PDF. See here, as you can see here. And click Adjust Settings if necessary. And save it. And you can choose where you want to save it. And it will be saved there. After clicking Save and choosing the location on your computer to store the PDF file. And that's it for today's tutorial. Saving a Google form as a PDF allows you to share it offline or keep a copy for reference. However, users cannot fill out a PDF form digitally unless it's converted into a fillable PDF using external tools. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.